Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm back with another video of freelancing platform. In this video, again I am going to introduce you with one of the best and genuine freelancing platform where you can work as a freelancer and you will be getting paid. I'll tell you how I got to know about this freelancing website. This particular freelancing platform have been founded by few of the IITians, right? And through LinkedIn, I was approached to work in this platform by one of the founder, and that's how I made an account and I started working in this platform. So I haven't worked that much, but whenever I get projects, in my domain, and I do if I do feel that I can complete within the deadline, and because I don't have that much of time since I do work in different freelancing platform. Also, I'm a permanent employee, so I don't get that much of time, right? But whenever I get a project in my domain, then and I if I do have a time, and if I see that you know I can complete within the deadline, because there will be deadline, then I do work, right? But this is the great opportunity for you guys. You can work as a freelancer, and you can have some additional financial support, right? So I'll tell you how you can start working in this platform. So you have to make an account, right? And you have to mention your domain of expertise, right? And then you have to give a test on that subjects, or whichever the subject you mention. You have to give a test. They will take a test. You have to qualify that exam, and I'll tell you that that exam is not that difficult. Okay, you'll be able to crack it easily. So once you are qualified, then only you'll be able to work in this platform. Now, what kind of projects you will be getting? Okay, so projects will be from the technical background, also from the non-technical background. Okay, for example, from technical background, let's say you are a mechanical engineer, and you do have expertise in CAD domain. You know a few of the CAD softwares like CATIA, SolidWorks, right? Those softwares, if you know, then you have to mention. Okay, and they will take a test regarding based upon that software. Once you are qualified, then you'll be getting a projects related to those softwares. Okay, if you're from IT domain, let's say IT domain, if you know the programming language like C, C++, Java, then if you're a data analyst, then you'll be getting a project, from those domain. You have to mention while making an account. And from non-technical background, there'll be projects from the subjects like economics, then English, from different subject, there'll be projects, and you can work on those projects, right? Like I do have expertise in the finite element analysis domain, so I do get a project related to that, and I do work on those projects. Fine. So now I'm going to tell you that website name. So earlier when it was founded, that time that this website name was Tutor Point. Okay, like TUTORPOINT, Tutor Point. But presently this website name is Your Doer. Okay, so I'm going to write that website name Your Doer in the Google Chrome, and hit enter, and it will take us to this page. So here we are. Yeah, we can see this website name Your Doer. Now, if you're a first time user, if you want to start working, then you have to go with the become a doer. This is for the expert. So I'll click on the become a doer. So here is the first page. Here you can sign in. If you already have an account, then you can sign in. If you don't have an account, then you can go with the sign up. Here the sign up, you have to look at old doer or aspire to be doer. Like you have to go with the second option, aspire to be a doer, never worked with us before. Then you have to provide your name, email address, everything, and you have to follow the steps. What are the steps are there? Since I do have an account, so I'll just sign in. I'll show you this platform how it looks like. So I'm going to type my email ID. Provide the top password. Okay, so here we are. So this is the dashboard of mine. It's still being loaded. This is the dashboard of mine. So my rating is not that good, 2.8, because I made some mistakes. That was not my mistakes actually. That was that mistake was from their side only, but it was some misunderstanding. So my That's why I do have a low rating, but no issues. I have done a great project. I also have received a fee, good feedback from the client. They especially mentioned that please, uh, pass our thanks to them, to the expert, right? So this is the dashboard. This is the dashboard. What you can see: rating, then pending tasks, total tasks. So I have done 5 tasks. Okay, and wallet amount. Here is the wallet amount. Okay, so once you are done with the projects, any particular project, then that amount will reflect here. Okay, and later it will be sent to your account. So once it is sent to your account, then it will come. That amount won't be showing here. Okay, in this wallet. Now I'll just show you one by one. So this is the dashboard. This is the task ID. This is the task ID, and what are the projects you have done. Here it will be listed. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this one was cancelled by the agent, as you can see. So this is the project I have done from the theme automotive, the finite element analysis. As I mentioned you that my expertise in the finite element analysis domain, CAE domain. So these are the projects I have done. Now I'll show you a task request. Okay, so this is the task request. So these are the projects are available now. Okay, so whatever the projects are available, those projects will be reflecting here the task request, right? So let's you can see this is the task ID, this is the type of the project, and this is the subject name, microelectronics. You can see, right? Microelectronics, micro data analyst, advanced internal finance, supporting business analysis, big data, like economics from the non-arts background, and database management, mechanical design. This is the for mechanical engineer. Okay, computer science, electrical, machine learning from for the IT students. Those people know, deep learning, machine learning, and they can work on this project. Now I'll show you how you can apply for those projects. Let's say you want you want to apply for this particular project, so you have to click on the show interest, right? uh, in few of the projects already assigned, so for those projects you can't apply. Okay, you have to keep in mind, you have to keep that in mind. But the projects where it's showing show interest, on that projects only you can apply. So I'll just show you here. I'm clicking show interest. Okay, so here you have to provide the WhatsApp number. Okay, the number which is registered with their platform. Let's say I'm typing my WhatsApp number, so you have to start with the 91. Okay, you won't have to provide plus. Here they have mentioned here how you have to type your number. So 91, I'm typing my name. Once you type your name, okay, then here description will come. Micro what details, what you need to do, those details will be there. Design and simulation of an integrated organic act. So these are the details of the platform. Now if you want to see that, some supporting documents regarding that project, this particular project, then you have to click here question folder. Once you click here question folder, then it will ask your email ID, since it is stored in a Google Drive, so it will ask your email ID, which email ID you want to go with. You can open and you can see that project details. Okay, there you can see the supporting documents. Then you can decide whether you want to work or not, whether it is doable for you or not. If it is doable, then you can show interest here. You see interested, you can click here, then it will be reflecting here. Okay, here it will be reflecting. Now 6 people have shown interest in this for this particular project, and once it is assigned to any of them, then this show interest will not be enabled anymore, right? So this is how like task list in this platform, and you can check out whether you will be able to do or not. This is a history. This is history of one of the projects I have done. So these 4 projects automated. This was a tick mark. One I was got cancelled. The history, all the project number of projects you have done will be listed here. Then upcoming task. If you click on the upcoming task, I don't have any upcoming sessions. Profile, I won't click on the profile. I'll show you the payment. Here you see I'll go down. And these are payments. So I have done this. This was done for long back 4900, and then this 2100. Actually this was done for 2024, right? So actually this project amount was 7,000. So actually thing is that once you are done with the project work, then they will pay you first 70% of the total amount, right? So that project cost was 7,000. So 70% is 4,900. So you'll be paid 70% of the total amount, and then 1 month later you'll be paid the rest of the amount, but 2,100. Okay, then you can see 7,000. And also, like, if they do feel that there's no problem with the client side, you have done the project completely, and you have fulfilled all the requirements of the client, then they'll make a 100% payment. For this project, there is no issue from the client side, or they already said that, yeah, they have got what they are looking for. That's why they made a payment, 100% payment for that project, right? These are 4,900, then 490. These are the amount I have received working on for the few projects, right? So these are the settings, these are content as resources. Okay, so what I'm trying to say is that if you want to work as a freelancer, then this platform will give you that opportunity, right? Let's say you are a pass out, but you are looking for a job, and meanwhile, you want to have some financial support, and then there's the platform. This is the platform where you can work, right, to have that addition, to have that financial support. So hope this video will be helpful for you. Okay, and one thing I would like to tell you that what are the video I'm making, making regarding freelancing platform. These are the genuine freelancing platform. Okay, it's not any kind of network marketing, any kind of typing job or a fake job. These are the genuine freelancing platform where you can work on the projects, and these projects are coming from the students or from clients, like you know. Students from India, they are doing study in the abroad. If they are not able to do, if they are facing any difficulties to complete their project, they do ask, right? Also, the students from the abroad, if they are facing any difficulties, then they pass those projects, they take a help, on those projects from this, and this is the so this is the medium actually, right? So thank you very much and all the best, and please do subscribe my YouTube channel for more informative videos like this, and also share with your friends within your network, so that if they want to work, if they have that capability, or if they do have the skill set, then it will be helpful for them, right? They can work and they can have the financial support. Okay, this is the only motive. So thank you very much and all the best, guys.